Alright guys, so it's been a little bit since you've heard from me. I'm back now, and gonna get you guys a little bit of an update here. We're expanding the fleet around here. Expect some more videos. Alright guys, we're gonna put out a couple great videos this summer, and here's a little sneak preview of what we got planned. Is that thing gonna start? She blew right up. Cylinders botched, cranks botched, trannies botched, bikes botched.
This is also my first bike.
Well, she looks like she's run right on top. Jeez, there's a fence there. Oh, guys, that just went down hard. Oh, oh gosh, that's a concussion. Jeez. What the? I got a couple new toys since I've last speak to you. One of those toys is now gone. But the one I got most recently here is in the shop. She needs a little work, but she'll be alright. Now right now she's all apart. Doing a little work to her, but it's alright. Just bought a new FMF Works pipe for it. That ought to spruce her up a little bit, and yeah.
She's beautiful, boy.
The other new toy is it's a 94 Arctic Cat Jag 440. Thing rips like a tot. But she left me sit this winter. I'll have to insert that clip right there. Well, it ran good for one day. It might be its last day.
This is what happens out here in the big leagues.
But yeah.